ما ذكرت اسمه لم يذكر.
Well, this question is from Palestine.
Yes.
He says the question is from Surah Sad, verse 17 to 25.
Yes, please.
Yes.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وما ينظر هؤلاء الا صيحة واحدة ما لها من فواق وقالوا ربنا اجل لنا قطنا قبل يوم الحساب اصبر على ما يقولون واذكر عبدنا داود ذا الأيد انه اواب انا سخرنا الجبال معه يسبحنا بالعشي والاشراق والطير محشورة كل له اواب ملكه وآتيناه الحكمة وفصل الخطاب. The translation of these verses is as follows. And these only wait for a single blast, and they wait not but for a long drawn out scream from which there is no respite. Bear patiently with what they say, and remember our servant. Bear patiently what they say, and remember our servant David, a man of many powers. Surely he was always turning to God.
The question.
He would like to know أخي له 99 نعجة ولي نعجة واحدة. I think then the rest.
That is still following, yes.
Yes.
In that verse was وَهَلْ أَتَاكَ نَبَأُ الْخَصْمِ إِذْ تَصَوَّرُوا الْمِحْرَابَ إِذْ دَخَلُوا عَلَى دَاوُودَ فَفَزِعَ مِنْهُمْ قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ خَصْمَانِ بَغَىٰ بَعْضُنَا عَلَى بَعْضٍ فَاحْكُم بَيْنَنَا بِالْحَقِّ وَلَا تُشْتِتْ وَاهْدِنَا إِلَىٰ سَوَاءِ الصِّرَاطِ إِنَّ هَٰذَا أَخِي لَهُ 99 نَاجَةً وَلِيَ نَاجَةٌ وَاحِدَةٌ فَقَالَ أَكْفِلْنِيهَا وَعَزَّنِي فِي الْخِطَابِ قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال ناجتك إلى نياجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
Sorry.
That's an occasion of sajda.
One trick,
Yes. Yes.
I have said about the sajda.
Yeah.
With reference
Yes.
to many hadiths from Bukhari, etc., that Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that every time the sajda is mentioned, it is not essential to do sajda. So he himself heard the Quran and the word sajda. We know that those verses which have the word sajda mentioned in them, and which have been handed down to us through traditions. One of these verses was recited before him. Neither he did sajda nor the person who was reciting. So people of today overemphasize this. Whenever possibly you can do sajda, you should. But if it's not possible, it's not a crime at all. So in public addresses like this, it's not possible. So we may forego this. You understand? Please. Now the question.
Hazur, the question he wants to know about the 99 Naja Wali Najatun Wahid.
The whole incident.
Yes.
You know, this verse refers to a vision of Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. It does not speak of some people actually scaling the tall walls of the castle and entering his house at night. Because first of all, the castles are built in a way that no ordinary people can scale the walls easily. Secondly, the question is a simple question which could have been asked during the day by ordinarily approaching Hazrat Daud, because it is said that Hazrat Daud was always available for public. So for them two brothers to fight and scale the wall across and to ask the question from Hazrat Daud is only meant to convey a message to Hazrat Daud by Allah's angels. It is said of Hazrat Daud that he had many states which he had annexed to him, and his empire spread far and wide. Yet he desired also to conquer some states which neither rebelled against him nor were ready to submit their sovereignty. So in this state, Allah wanted to give him a lesson. That don't do it. So this vision was shown to him. Two angels appear in the form of humans and they go on fighting with each other, struggling, quarreling as though they were quarreling. And one said, I have got only one sheep, and this person, my brother, has 99. So he wants to complete the tally of sheep to 100. Then I'll be left without any. Which one is right? Immediately after this, Hazrat Daud understood. You see, you can read. For Faham? No, not Faham. Yes.
قال لقد ظلمك بسؤال ناجتك إلى نياجه وإن كثيرا من الخلطاء ليبغي بعضهم على بعض إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وقليل ما هم وظن داود أنما فتناه فاستغفر ربه وخر راكعا وأناب.
You see, his answer was absolutely correct. He said people always transgress against their less fortunate rivals or brothers and cousins, etc. Having said that, he realized what was he doing himself. He also was treating some of the states like I have mentioned before. So then he sought forgiveness from Allah for whatever he had done in the past and decided to repair his attitude to others. Please.